Okay, doing a little work on my daughter's Honda CR-V. It had a rough idle, and I did a compression test from the mechanic, and he said one of the cylinders was running low. So it was, this cylinder number 3 was 30 pounds, and it's supposed to be 170 to 180 pounds of pressure on the compression stroke. The rest of them were within specs, 170, 180, and 170, which is good. And this was 30 pounds, so which led me to believe that it was a burnt valve. So I had to take the head off, and this is what I found it to be. A burnt valve on the number 3 cylinder right here, and that's where the valve is leaking air. So I have to take the valve out and replace it with just a new valve, and then she should be good to go. Yeah, with that burnt valve, she had a rough idle. There's there we go, right there. So I'll just replace that one valve, probably about $18, $20, and put her back together. And put a new head gasket on, and a new exhaust gasket. Nothing to it but to do it. And she'll be rocking and rolling. Peace.